In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reduce PDF file size. First, I go to Google, then here I type on search bar reduce PDF file size. Then I found lots of websites. I can open anyone, but I prefer and I always use those two websites. I love PDF and small PDF. You can open anyone. You can see compressed PDF file. So now I just upload my file on here. This is my PDF. You can see it's 526 KB. Now just open. Okay. If you have a multiple PDF, you can also upload on here. You can see add more file, but I don't need right now. Recommend compression, extreme compressions, and less compression. I always prefer and suggest you number 2. Then click compress PDF. That's it. As you can see, now my PDF file size are 175, and before we make this file size was 530. This is amazing. Now you just click on compress PDF. That's it. So this is the method how you can reduce PDF file size for free. Thanks for watching.